Welcome to Kiddo Quiz 10. Here we have the questions. The first question is, what is the largest fruit? What is the largest fruit? It is the jackfruit. The jackfruit is the largest fruit in the world. Second question. Where is Qutub Minar? Where is Qutub Minar? Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Qutub Minar, the tallest tower in our country, it is in Delhi. Third question. What do you call the people of France? What do you call the people of France? France is a nation in Europe. The people of France are called as the French. They are called as the French. Fourth question. What do you call that space that has neither air nor any gas? What do you call that empty place where there is no air or gas? It's called vacuum. It's called as vacuum. Fifth question. What do fish breathe through? What do the fish breathe through? The fish breathe through gills. The fish breathe through gills. Sixth question. What is the name of Mahatma Gandhi's ashram in Gujarat? Mahatma Gandhi ji had his ashram in Gujarat. What was the ashram known as? It is Sabarmati Ashram. The ashram was on the banks of river Sabarmati. It was known as the Sabarmati Ashram. Seventh question. In whose memory has the world famous Taj Mahal has been built? In whose memory has Taj Mahal been built? It has been built in memory of Mumtaz Mahal. She was the wife of Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal on the banks of river Yamuna in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Eighth question. What gas is the major constituent of air? What gas is the major constituent of the air that surrounds us? It is nitrogen. Nitrogen is about 79% in air. It is the major constituent of the air that surrounds us. Ninth question. What is the antonym of the word beautiful? What is the antonym or opposite word of the word beautiful? It is ugly. The antonym of beautiful is ugly. 10th question. What do you call a pilotless plane? What do you call a pilotless plane? A pilotless plane is called as drone. Drone is the answer. 11th question. Which vaccine is administered orally? Which vaccine is administered through the mouth? The answer is the polio vaccine. The polio vaccine. You might have seen children being administered polio vaccine through their mouth. 12th question. How many seconds make 1 minute? How many seconds make 1 minute? It is 60 seconds. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 13th question. Which month of the year does the world celebrate the Christmas festival? Which month of the year does the world celebrate the Christmas festival? The Christmas festival falls in the month of December. Christmas festival comes in the month of December. The next question. What is the capital of the Maharashtra state? What's the capital city of Maharashtra state? It is Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of the Maharashtra state. Now the next question. Who invented the steam engine? Who invented the steam engine? It was James Watt. James Watt invented the steam engine. The next question. Who is regarded as the god of death? Who is regarded as the god of death as per the Indian epics? It is Yama. Yama is the god of death. Next question. Complete the proverb. Complete the proverb. Slow and steady dash dash dash. Slow and steady dash dash dash. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. 18th question. What do you call a person who cannot see? What do you call a person who cannot see? The answer is blind. blind people cannot see. 19th question. What do you call a baby's nappy? What do you call a baby's nappy? A baby's nappy is called as diaper. Diaper is the answer. Last question of the day. What do you call an artificial pond where fish or marine creatures are kept? What do you call an artificial pond where fish or marine creatures are kept? The answer is aquarium. Aquarium is the place where the fish or the marine creatures are kept. Thank you.